Don't miss this great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You'll want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, remote keyless entry, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel drive, electronic stability control, traction control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.